I was cruising down the street, fuck these, three bitches, one yabba on me, and the yabba might well be feet, cause it got two arms and some feet, cause it wake up in the morning and it eat. I love my chopper and I think it love me, probably cause I let that bitch do what it please. Call her hitters cause he gon' shoot the free.
Back with another one. Back with it. I'm back with another one. It's push the button 2. You know what I'm saying? You already know what the gist is with this shit. Let's get into it immediately.
You can talk to cats, but they are racist and very mean to you.
Fuck no. Hell no.
You can have any woman man you want, but you have to have a cage match fight with Chuck Norris.
You can have any woman man you want. You have to have a cage match fight with Chuck Norris. They didn't say I have to win though, so I just get my ass whooped and then boom, GG's. You know what I'm saying? Any woman I want, nigga. Any man I want. Give me a shake or something. That shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo!
But anyways, yeah, any woman I want. Who? Give me Idris or Janet Jackson or Nia Long or Sanaa Lathan or Ashanti or Ice Spice or Sade. Yeah. Sade. Anyways, I just get my ass whooped by Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris is old anyway, so it's not like he can do. It's not a prime Chuck Norris. They just said Chuck Norris, so Chuck Norris today. Yeah, I'll do it.
You will become the king or queen of England, but you have to marry the first person you see when you click share, and then more.
Become the king or queen of England, but you have to marry the first person you see when you click share, or then more. Let's see who that is. It's telling me again. Hey, bro. It's just legal documents. You get what I'm saying? It's just legal documents. Just take one for the team. GG's. And then we return them crown jewels back to Africa, where they stole it from. Yeah. I'll press the button.
You can marry any anime character of any anime show you want, but you're stuck in the character's world and become an anime character yourself.
Yorichi, easy. Yes, sir. I'm pressing it.
You can fly, but you have to dress like Peter Pan forever.
Fuck no. That nigga has no drip. What?
You can become a successful drug dealer and make millions of dollars and never have to worry about law enforcement. But the love of your life will get killed by the police since they can't touch you.
Hey! That's wild. That's just Peaky Blinders, isn't it? But fuck. I don't think my brain will be able to take the mental stress of that. Like, brother, I'll be out here fucking terrorizing the streets if that shit happened. I'll destroy the police. I'll be the new law enforcement. I'll actually destroy. Fuck. I'll be on a rampage. They said the love of your life, bro. Like the love of your life, bro. That means your brain is attuned to that person. Your soul is attuned to that person. They just kill them because they can't touch you. That's crazy. And there's no way. There's no way around it. This is what happens. This the thing with pressing the button. There's no way around it. The nerf always happens. The nerf happens is inevitable. Can't work your way around it. That means I can't pay them off. I can't pay them off to be on the good side. They're gonna kill her. They're gonna kill her. I won't press the button. Yeah. 33%. As I expected.
85% chance that you get $10 million.
Shit.
But there is a 15% chance that you die instantly.
Nigga, what would Bakumadarame do, bro? Usogui mindset. Press the button. Usogui mindset. This is what I call Usogui mindset, bro. Usogui mindset. You go big or you go home. Even if it was 15%, I get 10 million and 85% I'll die instantly. I'll still press the button. Cause I'm a winner. I know I'll get that money. I know I'll get it. I know I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll press that button.
World peace is achieved, but every position of power is replaced with a woman.
Sure. It's world peace. Fuck.
Everyone you love dies, but you and the first person you...
Why is that 53%? Bro, world peace, bro. Like, who gives a fuck who's in power? Do you give a fuck who's in power right now? No, you don't. Everyone you love dies, but you and the first person you see when you click share get a cool hat for free.
You see when you click share and more get a cool hat for free. You can stop time, but the duration of it is random.
Oh, hell no. What if it's like you could stop time for like 1 second? It could be 10 minutes. And it could be a fucking 1,000 years. You never know. Or a million years, or a billion years. Hell
Your
no.
worst enemy shits their pants every time you sneeze, but they also find $5.
Sure.
Receive $100,000, but you will lose the ability to pronounce one randomly selected letter in the alphabet.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Get $50 every time you poop, but you can only poop when a grandma is watching.
Yeah.
85.
Wait. I don't know. Let's go back to that.
85%
Sorry.
chance that you get 10 million.
50 every time you poo. Do you know how many times a nigga poos in a lifetime? Then I can only poo when the grandma's watching. That's kind of crazy. I'm like, that means if I get like a significant other and she happens to have grandkids, I should be like 40 years old. You know how the world is these days. People be 40 years old and be having grandkids. But yeah, bag one of them. She just have to watch me every time I shit. And we get money. Bag driven. I'll do it. Yes, niggas said 29%. You're not real bag chasers. Fuck out of here. Yeah. Nigga. Groceries. Yeah, so that's what push the button too. You see the choices I was picking. Anything to do with money, I'm getting it. After a bag. Always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, fucking comment what you want me to react to, or anything else you want me to do. I've been thinking of doing like foo-foos. You get what I'm saying? Like the whole tournament thingy where you pick shit, like anime openings and things of that nature. I don't know when I'll get to that, but I may get to it. If you want it faster, comment down below and tell me which one to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that shit. Thanks for watching. I'm out.